What's up everyone, it's Jeption Mutai here. Welcome back to my YouTube channel where I share tips and expert advice on media, tech, freelance and business. In this video, I'm going to show you 3 lightning fast, free to use ways to add blog to your HTML website. This is no way compared to the popular heavy plotted WordPress CMS services that require you to install many plugins in order to speed it up. Stay tuned.
Jekyll Build, a legend in the making. Jekyll Build, where the future is breaking. Come and join the journey, don't you miss a thing. The world's at his feet, hear the freedom ring.
If you are new on this channel, like this video and subscribe to this YouTube channel. Also take time to visit my website on jeptionye.com to learn more. Now let's get right into today's video. The first path on my list to successfully add a blog to your HTML website is using GitHub Pages. Instead of paying for hosting, GitHub gives you a high-speed home for your blog site for free. To get started, open your browser and search for GitHub Pages. Select GitHub Pages link on top here. On this new page, you can learn how to get started. You need to have an account with GitHub in order to create a repository. Click on Quick Start to see the tutorial on how to build your blog. If you're stuck somewhere, use your favorite AI tool to find answers. In fact, you can skip the tutorial on GitHub Pages website here and ask AI to guide you step by step until you link your blog to your HTML website. Either of the ways works. Think of this as a professional social media profile, but for your entire website. You push your files there and they are live globally in seconds. The second on my list is Jekyll Build. Here, you write your blog in plain text and save it as a markdown or .mt, and Jekyll builds the HTML for you. The foundation is quite tasking as you need to install Jekyll using the command prompt terminal on your computer. Also, you need to create a number of files and save them on your root folder. Once you have the foundation set, the rest will be easy. You don't need to code every new page. You write your thoughts in a simple text file and save it as a markdown or .mt text file, and Jekyll acts like your personal assistant, wrapping that text in your website designs automatically. The best and quickest way to learn how to set up Jekyll as your blogging tool is to use AI. The third and last way on my list is JSON-Driven Blogging. This is the best blogging path to take if you are moving from the popular WordPress blog. If you are moving from WordPress, you need to first export your blog posts in XML format. Open Gemini AI or the AI tool of your choice and ask it to give you the script to use in cleaning your XML format file and save it as a .json file. Here is an example of a cleaned .json file with all my blog posts. Here, one single file holds every blog post you've ever written. Imagine a digital filing cabinet. Instead of 100 HTML files, you have one file, the JSON file, where all your stories live. Your website just reads that list and displays it. It is the ultimate way to stay organized without clutter. Again, if you're starting this journey as a newbie, ask AI to guide you step by step from cleaning your existing XML file to getting your first .json style blog posts. So some of you may ask, why bother these coding parts when you could just click install on WordPress? It comes down to 3 things that actually move the needle for your business. The first one is speed. Traditional CMSs are heavy. They have to talk to databases every time someone clicks on a link. These HTML paths are instant, and in the world of video and web, speed is money. Secondly, zero costs. You aren't paying $20 a month for hosting or $100 for premium plugins. This setup is 100% free forever. That is more budget for your actual marketing. Lastly, search engine optimization. Google loves lean code because these sites are so fast and clean. Search engines rank them higher than plotted slow websites. You don't need a heavy, expensive engine to run a fast blog. You just need the right tools. If you're ready to stop paying for plot and start building for performance, these are the paths. And that is it on today's video. I hope you found it helpful. Which service or which blogging path have you taken on your HTML website? Let me know in the comment section below here. Also, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to this YouTube channel. Also, take time to visit my website on jeptionyi.com to learn more. Up until next time, bye bye and take care. My name is Jeptionyi Mutai.
Jeptionyi Mutai, a legend in the making. Jeptionyi, where the future is breaking. Come and join the journey, don't you miss a thing. The world's at his feet, hear the freedom ring.